All right, so let's say you need to tie a load down and you don't have your ratchet straps. Somebody borrowed them, they never gave it back, but you do have some rope. So what I'm going to do is pretty much a quick video on doing a trucker's hitch. I'm also going to throw in a few quick release knots that I think can be really helpful to you. So let me go ahead and get started. But before you do that, hit the subscribe button right here. So a couple of quick release knots that you can use. I don't even have names for these things, but one of these is this particular one. And what I do on this is basically just run a bight underneath of it, tighten it up, and there you go. It should even be tight from the other end, like so. That's one. And of course it's a quick release. Another one you might want to consider, and this is popular with people that ride horses to tie their horses up, is put a loop in there, run a bight through it, tighten it like so, and there you go. You have a quick release. Here's yet another one. This one I find interesting. Don't ask me for any names, I don't know. So basically one wrap, go over, another wrap, and then slip a bight underneath the two loops, tighten it up, and that knot will not go anywhere. The easiest one out of all of these is basically do a half hitch and then put a bight on the next hitch like so, and there you go. That's 4 quick release knots. There's dozens of these things, but this is probably the easiest one to tie. So let's go ahead and do the trucker's hitch. Alright, so this rope I'm using is kind of stretchy, so I'm going to put a loop up here, and what I'm doing, this will come out easily later when we need it to. Actually, I'm going to move it further up. So what I'm going to do is wrap the rope around the other end here. Now this trucker's hitch lets us put tension on this. This is where this is going to be different. A lot of them will tell you to do this. I'm going to wrap it twice because that gives me a lot. Right? So now I can pull this and it's locked in place. Now if you want to secure it, put a bight in there, and as the saying goes, that ain't going anywhere until you want it to. You can pull it apart, pull it in the other direction, and that will loosen it up and let you take it out. So again, the trucker's hitch is really nice because you can put a lot of tension down on stuff. Double loop, do it one more time, and that double loop actually locks it in place. Double safety. Put a bight in there, and there you go. So one last time, I'm just going to go over it to show you how easy it is to disassemble everything. You got the trucker's hitch, again, ain't going anywhere. So you pull it, and then if you pull the trucker's hitch in the opposite direction, it loosens that up. And for a final, this loop will actually come right out. Anyway, hopefully this has been helpful to you. If it has, hit share and like. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.